Why is everyone so busy? Nobody talks anymore. Our family lives together, but it feels far apart.
Hello, friends! Welcome to our English story. Today, you will learn English with our family. Listen carefully and enjoy the story. Please like and subscribe for more English stories. Tell us what new words you learned today. Now let's begin.
Mom, Dad, look what I made at school today. It is a picture of our family.
Just 1 minute, Mia.
I worked on it all week. My teacher said it was beautiful.
That's wonderful, sweetie. Show me in a moment.
Noah, do you want to see my picture?
Maybe later. I am trying to win this game.
Okay. Everyone is in the same room, but nobody is together. I miss when we talked and laughed. Maybe everyone is busy. Maybe my drawing is not important. I don't know.
Yes! I did it! I reached the next level.
That's great, Noah.
Thanks.
Look at this funny video.
Can you send it to me?
Of course.
Thanks.
Mom is right there. Dad is right there too. Why are they sending messages? Maybe we can play together. We used to love this game. Who wants to play a game? It will be fun. Maybe later.
I'm busy right now.
Maybe tomorrow. I hope tomorrow is different. Nobody wanted to play. Maybe the game is boring. Or maybe they are too busy.
Why are you sitting here alone?
I wanted everyone to play together. Nobody had time.
Oh. We used to build forts together. And play treasure hunts.
The children are very quiet today.
Yes, they are.
Maybe they are busy too.
Probably.
Can I tell you something funny that happened at school?
1 second, sweetheart.
Just 1 second.
Me too. Everyone takes their screens everywhere. Even during lunch.
Where is the remote? I can't find it anywhere. Oh?
Dad, it is right in front of you.
Thank you, Mia. I was looking everywhere.
You're welcome. What if nobody had a phone for one day? Would things be different? We could play games. We could tell stories. We could laugh together again.
1 cup of flour. 2 eggs. What was the next step? Perfect. Everything is going well.
Oh no! This is terrible! What did I do?
What happened?
I think I used salt. A lot of salt.
Wow. That is definitely salt.
Definitely. This is the funniest snack ever. Maybe we should sell it.
Very funny.
We were having fun. Why does it always end so fast? Maybe the phones are too powerful. They always win.
Do you want to play soccer?
Just you and me?
Sure.
This is much better.
I know. I forgot how fun this is.
One day, maybe we can all play together.
That was fun. We should play outside more often.
I agree. What is that? I have never seen this box before.
Look at these pictures.
Everyone looks so happy.
And nobody has a phone.
Look at Dad. He is laughing. I miss that.
Remember this picnic?
Yes.
We laughed all day. I have an idea. What if we make a family photo today?
A new family photo?
Mom, Dad, look what we found.
These are our old family photos.
Oh, I remember those.
Wow. We did so many things together.
Those were wonderful days.
Maybe we can make new memories too.
Maybe we can. Look at this picture. We built a giant blanket fort in the living room.
I remember that. Can we do it again?
This was our camping trip. It rained all night. But we laughed the whole time.
There are so many pictures.
And everyone is smiling.
That's true.
Oh, just one quick message.
Wait, we were having fun. Let's finish the album first.
Really?
Maybe I should do the same.
Good idea.
Okay. 5 more minutes can wait.
Thank you. Everyone is checking their phones again. That was fast. Mom, what are you smiling about?
Oh, nothing. Just something I need to remember.
Noah,
Yes?
what is in the bag?
Nothing important.
Yes, tomorrow afternoon. Please don't be late.
That's strange.
Dad, what is in that box?
Just some things.
What things?
Nothing exciting. Mia?
What are you talking about?
Nothing. Just grown-up things.
That was close.
Mom?
Yes, sweetie?
Everyone is acting strange. Nobody tells me anything. I don't understand.
Yes. Everything is ready. See you soon.
Maybe they forgot. Maybe everyone forgot. Tomorrow is important.
Good morning. Good morning.
That's it? Just good morning?
I have to finish breakfast. I have something important to do later.
Something important? More important than me?
Mom, what was that?
Nothing. Just helping around the house.
Maybe they really forgot. Maybe birthdays are not important anymore. What are you hiding?
Nothing.
Again?
Come on. Please be on time. Just a little longer.
Who is that?
I will get it.
Perfect timing.
Ready?
1, 2.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mia!
Wait. You remembered?
Of course we remembered.
We could never forget. This one is from me.
Really?
Open it.
A drawing set! I love it!
I knew you would.
Make a wish, Mia.
Take your time.
Choose a good one.
I don't want a new tablet. I don't want more toys. I just want more time with my family.
Oh, Mia.
We didn't know you felt that way.
I miss all of you.
Happy birthday, Mia!
We love you.
Very much.
What happened?
The power went out.
Seriously?
Don't worry. We'll figure it out.
Together?
Together.
Let's use the flashlight. That should help.
Good idea.
Uh-oh. My battery is almost dead.
That's not good.
My phone is low too.
What do we do now?
Come on. Please work.
I don't think that's how it works, Mom.
You're probably right.
Smart boy.
That was funny.
We need candles. Let's search the house.
A treasure hunt?
I found spoons.
I found pasta.
Still no candles.
I found old decorations.
From last year.
Still no candles.
Wait! I see something. I think I found them. Ah!
Great job, Mia!
You saved the day.
I found the treasure.
The room looks beautiful.
It feels different.
In a good way. So, what do people do without electricity?
Good question.
When I was a child, we played games.
What kind of games?
Let's play a guessing game.
I like guessing games.
Me too.
Guess the animal.
Elephant!
That was easy.
Okay, my turn.
A duck?
A penguin! Guess! Monkey!
Definitely a monkey.
Roar!
A lion!
A very loud lion.
I forgot how fun this is.
Me too.
This is the best birthday ever.
What should we do next?
I have another idea.
Tell us.
When I was a boy, I tried to build a treehouse. It lasted only one day. Then it fell apart.
One day? It lasted less than 1 hour. Your memory is improving.
Dad built a treehouse?
For 1 hour.
That's impressive.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This is funny. I never heard that story before. I like hearing family stories.
I have many stories.
Really?
Some are even more embarrassing.
This was the best birthday ever.